looking to break 52-57 for the 2021 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Division break. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, August 7th, 2021, 10:02 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:02 p.m. Central Time, and 7:02 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Johnny Z, 2 spots, CBD cards, 2, Kev, 1, Buck, 1. Those are divisions. 7 times. Good luck. Kev on top, Johnny Z on the bottom. So we have Kev with the Central, Johnny Z with the American League East. Let me start over here. Kev, American League Central, Johnny Z, American League East, CBD cards, American League West, and National League Central. Solid Buck with the National League East, and Johnny Z, National League West. We have the Kansas City Royals. We have a Alberto Mondesi, 17/37. Very nice for Kansas City. Let's confirm the Kansas City Royals division. That's the American League Central, AL Central. McLeod, congrats. And that was 52-57 for the 2021 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Division break. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is 52-58 for the 2021 Topps Authentic Autograph Baseball Card Box. Thanks.